I'll be using 1 packet of shrimps peeled medium size, which is 750 grams, and 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 3 eggs, and 1 cup of feed. My hands is very easy, so I just put everything inside at once. I'm done frying the first set, and I'll just keep on repeating it until all the shrimps are fried. You can see how crunchy and delicious my shrimps are looking. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm just salivating.